Hey, what's up everybody? So today we are going to be working on the car. We're going to continue on the body work. I plan on doing the door, the passenger door, that's all slick sanded and good to go. So let's get busy. Alrighty, so I got everything all sanded down, and the door is pretty flat, pretty straight. 4 spots I gotta deal with. Let me show you here. And first one is right here. Let's see if we can pick it up. It's hard to see, but right there's a low spot. Come down. Low spot there. Low spot here. That looks like it's a low spot, but it's just where it's sanded through to the metal. And then under here is all good. A couple spots where it's sanded through to the metal, but it's straight. And then right here, you can definitely see that there's a nasty spot on there. So let me go mix up some putty, slap it on, and then I'll be back. Okay, and now we got the glazing putty on. A little bit there, 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 and there. And then once I get this all sanded down, I will be back. So I'm gonna let it sit up for about 10-15 minutes, sand it down, and then this panel should be good to go. Okay, so I got those filled in. They're looking pretty good. Here's the one here, it's perfectly smooth. Got this one down here, it's perfectly smooth. And then this one right here as well. So you can tell it's flat and smooth just because when I was blocking it, it started hitting a little bit of metal, so I stopped. Same here, hit a little bit of metal, so I stopped. And then down here, it's good to go as well. Except for I got one more teeny spot in there I gotta fill. So I'm gonna fill that, and then that will be good to go. So while I was filling in here, all these little holes, that's for some trim, and I'm not gonna be putting it back on. At least I don't know if I will or not. So I just went ahead and filled them in. And if anything else, I can always drill them out later and put them back on. But that's where we're at. All right, so I decided to take a turn in directions, and I took the hood off and I got the fender off, and I actually want to get this painted here before I get too much further. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint this upper side of the fender where it's gonna be underneath the hood. I'm gonna get that painted black. So let's get to it. Alrighty, well, that is actually a wrap for today's video. Like I said, these new ones are going to actually be a little shorter, sweet, and to the point. So, yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and we will catch y'all next time. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and the little bell notification so you can get my notifications. So, we'll see y'all later. Peace.